The great unknown, James Hutton, my favourite scientist that nobody else knows about. Well, most people. James Hutton observed that rain washed soil into rivers. This is called erosion. Erosion is how to say erosion. Without soil, we cannot grow food. Soil. Erosion is stopped by trees. That's why it's good to have lots of trees on hillsides. James thought that over thousands of years, the soil sediment would build up in layers where the river met the sea and stopped moving. Rivers take, fast-moving rivers take soil down to the sea, and then they stop when they get to the sea. Sediment is how to say sediment. His theory was that sediment at the bottom would be washed into sedimentary rock. It would be squashed into sedimentary rock. He also wrote that the sedimentary rock would have long dead animals and plants in it preserved as fossils. This guy knew stuff was going to be discovered. He also had the theory that the 3D shape left when the animal rotted away would be filled with hard rock coming out of the water. Rock salts coming out of the water are called precipitated rock. And all this got found out to be true. Precipitated. Dissolved in water and then comes out as a solid is precipitated. Precipitation happens when salty water is dried. Out, leaving the salt. Precipitation leaves marks on shower curtains. There's a picture of a shower curtain with all the splodgy marks. James Hutton thought that he could find fossils inside the rocks he found in Scotland because they were pushed up by volcanoes. Only the last word was wrong. We now know that rocks that contain fossils are pushed up by the movement of tectonic plates. Not volcanoes. Wow, he got one word wrong. Most of the Earth's crust is made of 7 tectonic plates that float on the Earth's magma. The liquid under the crust. Most volcanoes are where the magma comes up between the plates. Most earthquakes happen where one plate is moving north and the plate next to it is moving south. The tectonic plates in San Andreas Faults, San Francisco. One's going north, one's going south. Most mountains are made by one plate moving north and the other plate pushing south. That's how the Himalayas are made. The biggest tectonic plate is the Pacific Plate under the Pacific Ocean. A ring of volcanoes goes around the top of the Pacific Plate called the Ring of Fire. That's all the volcanoes and earthquakes are in Japan and around to California. All those places and Indonesia's got loads. They're all on the Ring of Fire. The second biggest tectonic plate is the North American plate. Tectonic plate. No H. Tectonic plate is the North American plate under the USA, Canada and Mexico. Third is the Eurasian plate under Europe and Asia, except India. Fourth is the African plate. Fifth is the Antarctic plate. And sixth is the Indo-Australian plate, which is India. That Indian plate is going north. That's how the Himalayas were made. Draw a labelled map of the Earth with these 3 plates in different colours next to the precipitation picture. Check with a Google search. I'll let you do that. James' theories should have made him famous, but his book was difficult to understand. He wasn't very good at publicising himself, and it was many years after his death that other people made his theories famous. Eries. Hutton published his System of the Earth in 1785. Erosion pushes soil into rivers that transports the muddy soil to the sea, where it forms sedimentary rock called mudstone. Animals trapped in sedimentary rocks rot away. Rot away, and the 3D shape is filled by new rocks by precipitation. The Earth's solid crust is made of magma that has cooled into 7 tectonic plates. Tectonic plates are floating on the magma. As they move, they make volcanoes, earthquakes and mountains. Hey, that's all about the famous scientist who's now famous but wasn't when he was alive because his book was difficult to read. My name's Good Luck Gary. I'm a maths and science tutor. Like and subscribe to get more of my videos. If you live in Hong Kong, you can contact me, or your mum can, and I'll come to your home and help you out with your maths and science for GCSE, IB, A-level, HSCs. My email address is goodluckgaryhk@gmail.com. Bye!